Thursday morning, everyone. Since last night, most areas have already picked up nearly an inch of rain. So watch out as you're heading to work this morning for areas of standing water. We are looking at still some scattered showers, but nothing overly heavy now. So we're getting a bit of a lull from what we were dealing with earlier in the pre-dawn hours. Now just left with some scattered showers, and we're going to continue to see scattered showers in our forecast throughout the day today. And brief heavy downpours will continue to be a possibility, especially for the first half of our day today. So temperatures nice and mild, 53 degrees this morning for Delphos and Elida, 52 in Lima. Looking at that forecast as far as the rain, again, scattered rain is the key word here this morning all the way through the afternoon. So make sure you keep that rain gear handy all throughout the day. You notice, though, the rain not overly widespread, so it's not going to rain at every second of the day. So at least that is some good news, but you continue to see scattered showers getting into 2 p.m. and not as much of the heavy rain this afternoon. As the front starts to shift south, we will see more of just these pesky showers more than anything else. And by the time we get to the evening, things will start to improve. We'll see the steadiest rain going down to the south as the front goes to the south as well. It kind of takes the rain with it. And then that front's going to stall out overnight south towards the central parts of the state. So overnight tonight, areas south of US 30 continue to run the rest of rain. The rain chance picks up as you head south and as you head north, especially areas like Ottawa, Deschler, Defiance, Paulding, mainly dry for you guys overnight. Moving forward into our Friday, I do think tomorrow's a drier day. Now, I'm not going to promise a totally dry forecast. I think we'll have a few showers around, but we will see most of that rain kind of confined along that Interstate 70 corridor and just south of there. So we get a bit of a break tomorrow before rain comes back by Friday night. It looks like after about 10 o'clock Friday night, here comes our next round of rain with a very potent area of low pressure. This could provide us with heavy rainfall late Friday night going into the pre-dawn hours of Saturday. And then that rain's going to become scattered on Saturday and become more or less just spotty rain. But the wind is going to become the bigger weather issue on Saturday once we get rid of that rain late Friday night. So here's the additional rain. Most areas have already had an inch, so we add about another inch of rain. That puts us right in line with a forecast of 1 to 3. And you notice the additional rain is heavier for areas down to the south, closer to that stalled front. So temperatures today will reach around 60 degrees late morning, early afternoon, but it will start to cool as that front shifts south of us, and we'll look at cooler air tomorrow, and then another spike in temperatures. In fact, increasing potential for 60s on Saturday as we do get briefly in the warm sector of that system. But the other issue in this forecast, if all this rain isn't enough to talk about, I want to make sure I point out the wind forecast for Saturday. Some concerning numbers here with the wind gust forecast coming in as high as 57 miles per hour on this forecast model for areas like Bellefontaine at 2 o'clock on Saturday. So we could also have some localized damaging winds as that strong storm system moves through on our Saturday. So looking at that forecast tomorrow, 46 with a few showers. Again, more heavy rain Friday night. Saturday showers will taper, but very gusty winds will track as we continue to get closer to that. Sunday looks quieter, the best weekend day with sunshine and a high of 52.